Hey guys, welcome back. This video is all about getting all the custom field IDs and their names. Because in order to get the custom field ID, what you actually need to do is you need to locate your custom field. You need to click on context and default values, and basically it shows in here. Now imagine that you actually need to do this for each and single custom field out there. Why am I talking about the custom field IDs? Because you might be creating some the API requests towards Jira in order to create some work items, and within those work items, you don't have the system fields, you have the custom fields. But in order to call that custom field out, you actually need to specify its ID. And you will need to go through this. So imagine you need to specify 5 custom fields. So that would mean that you would need to, go through each custom field, see what their values are and everything else. There's no problem with 5 of them. But imagine if you had 100 of them, 200 of them, or something like that. That would be really time consuming, and you don't want to spend your time for that. Luckily, this Python script makes our lives much more easier, because what it actually does is the thing that we actually need. So if you take, for example, event count, right? So we're gonna type in event count, and for the event count, this is the ID of it. So if I go for event count, and I go for actions, and I go to contacts and everything else, so there it is, 10.0.0.7.0. This is what I'm actually getting, and if we compare it with the results, we can definitely see that this is indeed true. And I'm going to say that this instance itself only has 250 custom fields. That's right. So, of course, all of these are the custom fields, not the system fields. So if you actually take a look around the script itself, it's basically doing and calling this API that fetches basically everything that is indeed needed. And it's going to say how many custom fields were found, and so on and so forth. It's really short script. I already have it in my Bitbucket repository. It's actually already there. It's open. You can clone it, and you can also use it. All you need to specify there is your Jira URL. You need to specify your API token and your email address, and basically you're done with that. So overall, basically that is it, and no more confusion, no more burden about these things. And that's all. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.